In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete the Hungry Plant quest very fast in Grow a Garden Roblox and then get yourself some of those free premium seed packs. So basically, let's just first go ahead and look at how this quest works. Now, what you have to do to get the premium seed packs is you will need to basically feed the plant 50 times. Now, after you do that, you will get a premium seed pack and all the goodies that you can get from the seed pack, which you can see over here, are very, very neat. Now let's get over how you can do this the quickest way possible. As you can see, you can talk to the hungry plant. It's going to tell you what it wants. So right now for me, it wants a daffodil that weighs at least 0.22 kilograms. Of course, what you're going to have to do is go and get that daffodil, or sometimes it's going to be blueberry, tomato, strawberry. It can basically be pretty much anything, I think. And after that, you want to just place it inside your hand and click on take this plant. And then after you do this, what will happen is essentially you will be able to basically give it that, and after it eats it, it will take a few seconds and then it will give you a basic seed pack. However, of course, if you want to complete that as fast as possible, I have a great tip for you. So what I usually do, let me just show you really quickly. What I usually do is I just go to my garden over here. As you can see, here's the daffodil. I will have to give it right now. What you have to do is you just have to buy every single seed pack available, each and every single reset, and basically this will just prepare you for anything that this plant could want. So every single time, every 5 minutes, once this resets, the seed shop, come back to the seed shop. And I just like to buy everything. So I just go through, I just click, and I just buy pretty much everything in here. And then I just keep my seeds stacked in my inventory, okay? So this is actually a quick hack that I learned. So I just buy every single seed. As you can see, even the orange tulips, even though those likely won't be required, I just still buy them anyways, and as well as the tomatoes. Here we have the corns, etc. And then anytime you may need something that's currently not growing on your garden, what could happen is, of course, you will have that seed in your inventory. So if I search for seeds over here in my backpack, as you can see, I have a bunch of different seeds, and I'm always ready for whatever challenge basically the plant may throw against my way. So then what you want to do is just basically put on that thing. You want to place it down, and then you want to use the water sprinkler, or whatever that thing's called. So let me just find it. This thing is, yeah, the watering can. This is what I meant. So you want to basically just use that. You want to click on it, and then you want to just basically water the plant, and it will grow up very quickly. And then if it weighs enough for the plant, just go up to the plant, give it that, and of course you'll be able to progress one level further. So that's how I was able to actually achieve this quite quickly on my other account. So yeah, that's how you can get it too. I think that's basically the best way. And you can get a free premium seed pack that way, because in case you didn't know, after you come to the plant, after you give it that thing 50 times, so after you feed it 50 times, you'll be able to essentially get the premium seed pack for free. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.